Habang gigil sila sa brut-brut daw, eto chill lang nakapisay. Habang gigil sila sa brut-brut daw, eto chill lang nakapisay. Nakapisay, 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 nakapisay. Habang gigil sila sa brut-brut daw, eto chill lang nakapisay.
What up, loved ones? What it do? Spotty Young right here. You know where I'm from. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're into real shit only, watch this video. All right. So check game, man. I got the international rapper right here. He's been in the rap game for so long. Right here in the Philippines and shit, man. 187 Mobsters. To those who know, if you know, you know and shit, man. I'm talking about the one and only, my boy. Third Floor and shit, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. What's good?
All good.
So, to those who don't know, pare, you've been in the rap game for how long now, right here in the Philippines?
20 years.
20 years?
Since 2003.
2003?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. 2003 is the same exact year where I went to prison. I was 15 years old. Yeah, you was 15?
Yeah.
Oh, 2003. Oh, shit. So, tell me about the rap game. Like, how did you start? How, you know?
Nagsimula para sa akin ako mag-rap sa community. Kasi sa lugar namin, marami ring rapper eh. Pag lumabas ka ng bahay, may nag-freestyle sa labas.
Oh.
May mga rap contest. Parang angas na ito ah. Parang gusto mo rin na ito, ganito.
Parang culture na
Yeah,
din.
culture din talaga sa Tondo yan.
Sa Tondo. So, man, Tondo, man. What can you say about growing up in Tondo? Tondo is known in the world as, it's like the slums, the ghetto, gang violence, you know, the worst of the worst.
Yeah.
Can you talk about?
Noon,
yeah.
magulo. Pero para sa akin, sa ngayon, okay na siya eh. Baga, natuto na yung mga makukulit eh.
Oh.
Mas natuto na sila, mas naisip nila gumawa ng pera sa gumawa ng gulo.
I feel you, man. So anyway, on your rap game, they call you Third Flow.
Yeah.
Can you explain why?
Yan,
why they call you
nung nasa ng mga school days ko nung bata, nahulog ako mula third floor building hanggang ground floor, Lagapak.
Yeah,
pero buhay.
From the third, at school?
Yeah.
Sa third floor?
Yeah.
You fell? Damn. How did it happen?
Parang may nalaglag na laruan sa parang tawag dito, balcony. So parang kaklase ko, matangkad, so may lula, makulit din tayo nung bata, pati una. Ako kumuha, tapos may isang kaklase akong babae na biniro ako na ginulat lang ako.
Oh shit, parang...
Tapos diretso na.
Yeah.
Naglag na.
Oh shit. But how did you land?
Parang ito ata una sa akin eh.
Oh, your hips.
Pero hindi ako nawala ng pare, ng malay. Kasi bago nangyari, napanaginipan ako ganun-ganun.
No
mga
way.
ilang days ako na naginip ako ng ganun.
Before it happened?
Kaya nung nalaglag ako, hindi ako nawala ng malay. Alam ko lahat kung saan ako dinala, paano ako tinakbo. Sa hospital lang, yung yung ilaw, puti na, yun na.
Oh.
Okay, wala na sa panaginip Totoo na to
Damn.
Yeah, kaya simula nung tinawag ako sa amin, kilala ako, third floor man na.
Third floor man.
Kaya nung nag-rap ako, yun yung ginamit ko. Third floor man.
And then your crew is called, what is it? 187 Mobsters. Yeah. That's where Smuggles also is from too,
Smugglers.
Right? I seen Smuggles in LA, I think, rapping with the black folks and shit, right?
Sila Crazy Bone yun, nirapan niya sila Crazy Bone doon, sa US.
Oh, yeah, they're doing it. It is in Batang Quiapo too, to those. It's a famous what do you call this? Show right here in the Philippines, Batang Quiapo and shit, man. So anyway, man, so you know, you've been rapping. Can you remember how you started? Because right now, I know that you have your own brand, Tondo Supply. He has a store right here, located in Tondo, Manila, of course. And you've been running that store for how long now?
5 years.
Oh, damn, 5 years. Shit. So imagine, man, you know, How did you start before all of that? Just
Kali-kali lang, sulat-sulat kali. Nagre-record kami, computer shop, cheap mic ang gamit. Tapos hanggang napunta na kami kay Gab, yung leader ng 187. Yung nagbigay sa akin ng chance na makapag-rap doon.
oh, okay. And then slowly but surely, people starting to recognize you.
Matagal. Siguro
Eh,
parang mga ilang years bago ka mapansin.
Oh, it took years.
Lalo na wala namang internet dati. Kumbaga, hindi
Yeah.
naman ganun
There's
kalakas.
no,
Hindi ganun kalakas yung YouTube. Iba pa yun.
There's no social
So, mano-mano,
media.
benta-benta CD.
Oh, the old school way. Damn. So, man, when I first, by the way, to those who don't know, man, when I first heard your song, the Territorio, you guys check it out, man. That shit go, buddy. That shit is classic right there. Like,
Thank you, pare.
20, 30 years from now, even 50 years from now, that song will still be the shit, man. You know what I mean? 'Cause
Tondo Anthem.
that's the Tondo Anthem. That's on a whole nother level. You know, you gotta check it out if you guys haven't heard it yet. But what speaks to me also from one of your hit songs, Peace Sign.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Peace Sign. And it's just weird how the whole song speaks about everything that I'm also talking about. You know what I mean? Like unity of our peoples, you know, stop the stupid gang violence and gun violence. It appears that from that song, without even knowing you as a person, without, you know, us hanging out or talking to each other, just by hearing that song, it will show that song, Peace Sign, like, you're like a super OG that already had been there, done that, seen a lot of things right here in the hood, in the slums, in the ghetto, to the point where you're making songs as deep as that. While the other little rapper kids are so focused about, man, I gotta prove to them that I can pull the trigger. You know what I mean? I'm a gangster. You know what I mean? Like, they still haven't been there. And I've listened to some of your rhymes and verses from other collaborations with other rappers here in the Philippines. You're talking about, you guys are barely still, you know what I mean? You know, starting. We're already going back. You know what I mean? You guys are all sons of Tondo. Anak kayo ng Tondo.
Yun yan, kaya sinasabi ko nga na ganun kasi nakita na natin yung pwedeng maging dulo nung ginagawa nilang gang violence na yan eh.
Yung pinaka the
ending nun.
Yeah. So it takes, you know what I mean, to those who don't know, man, it takes a real one to know that if you're gonna live that life of self-destruction, you know, gang violence, you know, trying to put in work for the hood, listening to your OGs that are not really OGs because, you know, they're telling you to shoot people, stuff like that.
Nilabas ko yun yung Peace Sign, nilabas ko yung kasagsagan ng mga bata, blue red sila, kulay-kulay. Tapos mga gusto nila, yung mga barilan. So timing na nilabas ko talaga yun para kahit pa paano magtanim ng seed sa utak nila, yung message. Kung sakaling mag-get sila, lumaki, di mas okay. Kung hindi, okay lang din. Basta nagtanim ako.
What year was this? Para the Peace Sign?
Siguro mga 20 something, mga ganun. Oo.
But during that time, there was a lot of shooting. A lot of...
Nawala na kasi sa hip-hop scene, nawala na rin yan yung mga gang-gang na yan Nung panahon namin ng Barrio Verde, nila Al James, nila Shanty Dope, yung panahon namin na nagsisimula yung 727, wala na yun Walang ganun Biglang nauso na naman. So, kitang-kita ko yung pagbabalik na naman ng hiwalay, nagsiseparate na naman yung hip-hop community dahil sa ganun.
Yeah.
Kakaroon ng kulay na naman.
Yeah, damn. To those who don't know, man, here in the Philippines, gangbanging is real too. People were getting murdered easily, left and right. There's no CSI right here. It's not, you know what I mean? It's not like in America where murder is a big deal. Here, it's like, it's nothing, man. There's so many murders. Red rag, blue rag, and things like that. And the crazy thing about it is during those times when that was happening with all the hate and all the shootings, you decided to come out with that peace sign. Yeah. So that's how that started. Damn.
Yung message nun.
The message is deep, man. You know, because
Totoong blood clips yung magkakasama dun.
yeah.
Tapos talagang mga OGs din yung mga nandun. Yung mga nakatakip din.
Mga blue, right? Yung ano din, right? The blue and red is Bloods and Crips, but they also have Sureños and Norteños here in the Philippines. So those who don't know, so the Sureños wear the blue, and then the Norteños or wear the red or whatever group and stuff. You know, it's weird also, right? Did you ever get involved with any of the gangs or?
Malalapit sa akin sila, pero wala akong sinalihan na gang na gano'n. Meron dati labas dun sa mga matitinding gang. Sa ibang gang ako kasi yung lugar namin parehas eh.
Yeah,
may
yeah.
TBS, may WSI eh. Parehas ko kakilala eh.
WSI?
Westside Islander.
What the fuck? Westside Islanders, Long Beach?
Yeah. Sa
They
Tondo
got it-
meron
they
dito,
got it right here.
Westside.
Okay,
Oh.
okay.
So lugar namin ganun eh.
TBS. Okay.
TBS Westside eh.
Westside Islanders.
So wala akong kinampihan dun eh. Sa
Oh.
ibang gang ako sumali nung bata ako eh. Nakatingin din ako ng 30 seconds. Pero nakipagbatuhan din. Pero dun niya, sa mura kong edad bago ko mag-rap, nakita ko na yung ano eh.
Yeah.
Mamamatay ako rito.
Yeah.
Kasi ginawa ko, rap. Dun ko naman nakuha yung respeto ng mga OG sa pag-rap ko.
So you saw rap, you saw music as a way out of the nonsense that you've been seeing and stuff like that. Man, for the rap game, for the rap, who was your rappers that inspired you to basically rap, man, and basically
Nung batang-bata ako, uso yan sa kali yan, yung rap talaga. Pero nung napanood ko si Tupac,
si Tupac talaga.
angas na ito pero hindi ko alam na patay na siya noon. Bata pa ako noon eh. Nalaman ko na patay na siya. Kaya pinatutuo si Tupac eh. May totoo ni Tupac.
Oh yeah, you do.
Siya yung nagano sa akin na gay rap. Mag-rap ako, angas.
It's crazy. Some of the homies I know, they got Ice Cube tattooed on them, but yours is Tupac.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasi iba rin yung message yung kahit ganun yun eh.
Yeah. Oh, he got a deep ass message. That's why he's one of the best.
It's timeless.
Of all time, timeless. Damn, Tupac. Everybody knows Tupac, man. It's Tupac.
So I got a Tupac tattoo.
So it was Tupac that first inspired you to rap. Do you have any other rappers that also inspired you that you like or?
Marami akong pinapakinggan. Pero yung
What's your top
nagbigay ng
three?
impact talaga,
Si Tupac, top
Tupac
1.
talaga, oo.
Sino yung top
Wala,
2,
sumunod
top
nun,
3?
ano na, tawag dito, Wu-Tang din, yan.
Wu-Tang
Wu-Tang,
Clan.
yan.
Oo.
Kaya naglakas loob din ako na gumamit ng third floor man. Kasi sa Wu-Tang, narinig ko may mga Method Man, may mga, di ba, yung mga ganun pangalan. Sabi ko, third floor man, okay yun. Kaya yun yung ginamit ko talaga umpisa ng pag-rap ko. Kasi parang Method Man, mga ganun.
Method Man. Shout out to Method Man. That's China Mag's homie, right?
Talaga.
Yeah. Shout out to that guy. He says he's a cool ass, honorable guy. Yeah. See Method Man.
Yeah.
So you got Tupac, then you got Method Man.
Tapos tumagal yung
Who's the third one?
madami kasi pag batang 90s ka, iba-iba talaga yung dadaan sa yung artist eh. T.I.,
Si T.I.
di ba? Yung mga pabago ng pabago, hanggang sa
Yeah,
mapunta sa Kendrick, hanggang sa mapunta sa Nipsey Hussle,
Kendrick, Nipsey Hussle.
sa foreign.
Yeah. Shit, what you're doing right now is kind of like Nipsey Hussle too.
Yeah.
You know, you got Tondo Supply, you know, that's your signature brand, and you got what's his Marathon or something?
The Marathon,
Yeah, the
yeah.
Marathon. Yeah, no? That's
Pwede
what's-
pala.
Yeah.
Diba, ibibenta mo yung i-represent mo yung lugar.
And before you had the shop, I know you was selling clothes just in the streets or
Bangkita lang.
just like at the sidewalk. and shit?
Tatayo lang kami ng tent.
Just build your-
Papaalam mo, bubuin lang namin yun.
Yeah.
Sarap din,
And the motherfuckers were just supporting you. People were just supporting you and
Yeah.
shit, right?
Kaya nagkapag rin ng shop.
And it came to the point now you got your own shop now, man. If you guys are in the Philippines, man, there's no way you're gonna just come kick it right here without dropping by at Tondo Supply and
Yeah.
shit, man. You know what I mean? Don't
Ano
forget
siya,
your boy, man.
oo. Na-inspired din kasi, di ba, pagka, kunyari, sa probinsya, pag pupunta ako, pagka may mga gig, punta akong Bacolod, Baguio, yung mga souvenir shop sila na parang may bibiling kang damit
Yeah.
Parang ganun yung nangyayari sa Tondo Supply, mga tropa na, mga taga-Tondo na umuwi ng galing ibang bansa,
Yeah.
bago sila umuwi, o pagdating nila, bumibili sila sa shop,
Sa Tondo
pupunta
Supply.
sila, oo.
Okay. I've been seeing it too from what are the like most of the other countries that when they visit the Philippines.
Yung meron mga galing Germany.
They got some from German.
May purong Japan. Ano din, kasi yung connected din yung music.
Yeah,
Kasi napakinggan nila yung teritoryo. Tapos may translation yun na pinatranslate ko rin talaga. O na English na magaling din talaga mag-English na rapper din. Shout out to Lowdown.
Shout out to Lowdown. Shout out to Lowdown, man. You know what I'm thinking of Territorial? The song, you know, it feels like Eazy-E and Dr. Dre when they bang in Compton. Real motherfucking G, right? And then also, what's that shit? By Snoop Dogg when they bang in Long Beach, you know what I mean? LBC. But you bang in Tondo and shit, man. You know what I'm talking about? That shit go, pare. That shit go.
Matagal din, pare. Matagal din pinag-aralan. Kasi bago ka makagawa ng ganun, may isip mo rin na parang gusto kong gumawa ng ganito Panood ko rin yung mga yung tawag dito yung Welcome to Atlanta.
Oh,
diba? Yung mga ganun.
Ludacris.
Ludacris, diba? Jermaine Dupri. Meron din silang New York.
Jay-Z.
Yung isa pa, yung I'm from New York.
Jay-Z.
Sila Ja Rule, sila Jay
si
Takis,
Ja
may
Rule.
mga ganito. Si Tyga, may Kali Love. Parang naisip ko na makagawa rin ako ng ganito.
Hell yeah.
Kaya yung proseso rin nung pagsulat ng kanta ng Teritoryo, matagal din. Hindi ko siya sinulat ng, ayokong pakawalan ng basta-basta to, kaya kailangan isakto yung music, yung lyrics, talagang research din.
Yeah.
Tapos yung mga sa video, yung mga taong may tira din talaga na nandun na nakagip ng camera. Mga mayores tayo doon.
Well, not the police know which faces are.
May mga police din doon. Mga kalugar kasi sila, yung mga kalugar. Kompleto yun.
Yeah. It's crazy, man. You know, with me personally, I have the. By the way, to those who don't know, Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verses 1 to 8. To those that are familiar with the Bible, this is from King Solomon. From the Old Testament, Ecclesiastes, it states in there that basically there's a time and season for everything. Everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
And I believe that me and you got together, started collaborating for a reason, and there's a bigger picture of what we're about to do. Can you let the people know what do you think about the party movement, that's going on, that you see on whatever social media, Pinoy Unity? How do you feel about that?
Yeah, maganda yun. Unity, yun yung pinakamagandang natin magagawa dito sa mundo, mapagbigay tayong peace of mind sa sarili at sa isa't isa. Kaya mas maganda ba unity? Kesa nung magkagulo-gulo tayo.
Oo, tayo.
Tayo lang din.
Kasi we're the Philippines is so extremely divided. I mean, just look at how many islands do we got? 7,000 islands. With how many dialects? About 117 or something. Different dialects, different languages, all in one little country. We're so divided. So many tribes. But at the end of the day, if you're on an OG level, seeing things differently, looking at the bigger picture, we're all the same. We're all the same people. Yeah. It doesn't matter where. So all this street gang violence, it doesn't make sense. So and that's what I saw about you, seeing the same thing that I'm seeing, and that's why we're collaborating, locking it in, pushing party movement. We're 116% Pinoy. I mean, we're not 113% Mexican or 114% Norteño. We're not that. We're 116% Pinoy. Pinoy means Filipino. And there's an identity crisis going on, about people being confused and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, this is our country that we were born with. Our blood that is running through our veins is the blood of an Asian, of a Filipino, and our brothers and our sisters, our parents, they're all Filipinos. Stuff, you know what I mean? This is the country. We didn't choose this. We were just born like this. This is in our heart. And the unity that you have in mind, pare, is the same exact unity that I have in mind.
Yeah.
It's okay for me. It's okay if they're the best Pinoy or whatever, or they're the best whatever. You're my brother, man. We're not enemies and shit, man. Diba? So I see the same way that you see.
Lumaki ako, bata akong lumaki na magulo sa bahay. Typical Pilipino. Typical na bahay ng isang Pilipino. Isang bahay, maraming pamilya.
Yeah.
Parang bata pa lang, ito ko na wala talagang pangit talaga pag magulo Alam mo yung pangit ng gulo, magkakaaway. Sa amin sa isang bahay lang, tiyahin, pinsan, magkakaaway, magkakapatid, magkakaaway. Lumalaki ako na ayoko maging ganito. Ayokong ng gulo. Walang mabuting madudulot tong gulo. Nonsense. Kaya gusto ko ng peace, pare.
I feel you, man.
Peace lang.
Yeah. We've been there, and it's how you say this. There's a lot of self-restraint and strength also that you were able to maneuver your way out of that hole that people are getting sucked into drugs, into everything, gang violence, stupidity, nonsense.
Kasi
because of life.
Kaya hindi rin talaga ako sa drugs. Kasi nakita mo, sa isang bahay na yun, may isang nagda-drugs, magulo.
Yeah.
So, yun yung nanggugulo. Ayoko maging ganun. Ayoko mag-drugs kasi yun yung kakalabasan ko. Pag nag-drugs ako ganun, magulo talaga. Kaya talaga iwas ako sa drugs. Kaya ayoko talaga nun.
Man, you're what do you call this? You're basically, living proof that it doesn't matter what environment you were born in, you will still have the choice and the power to choose your own path.
Kailangan talaga, yun yung sinasabi na kailangan matibay ka. Matibay ka in the sense na matibay ka sa mga buyo.
Yeah.
Matibay ka sa mga sulsul.
Yeah.
Tara, drugs tayo, tara, sugal tayo, tara, inom tayo. Kailangan maging matibay ka sa ganyan. Kailangan, pag alam mong hindi maganda, kailangan tibayan mo. Pag marupo ka, sabay-sabay ka, wala. Ayoko talaga.
Damn, that was me. I'm the marupok. I'm the marupok.
Pare, kasi nakita ko na yung bata pa lang ako talaga, nakita ko na Walang, ayoko talaga.
Yeah.
May dumarating sa time na yung chewin mo, may hostage yung pamangkin niya sa bahay niyo. Kasi magulo talaga pare sa bahay namin.
Yeah.
Kaya talagang bata pa lang magulo na, kaya lumalaki ko, ayoko ng gulo.
Yeah.
Pero hindi na tayo mabait.
By the way, do you have any older brother or people that that had led you away from the stupidity and the self-destruction? Who was your OGs? Who told you to go a better path?
Nung pumipili ako ng path, sarili ko lang din talaga.
It was just from your own observation?
Kumbaga, sa pamilya ko lang din kami sa salitaan ba? Sa payo, sa mga ganun. Wala kaming ganun. Wala kaming ganun.
Yeah.
Walang ganun sa kuya mo, pagsasabihan ka ng gulang, gano'n. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo, kanya-kanya,
So it's just from your own observation?
Hanggang sa tumatagal, sa pagkarap ko, nakilala ko na yung talagang mga OGs, mga mayores talaga. Sila rin natuturo, di ka para dyan. Mag-rap ka lang, pare.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, kami na dito. Kumbaga sila yung nandun sila sa ganung path. Sila na yung sacrifice.
Oh.
Sila na yung napunta dun eh.
Yeah,
Sila na yung sacrifice. Kaya kumbaga, ang galing din eh. Kasi sila yung sacrifice ngayon ang ginagawa nila. Tinuturo nila sa'yo na, wag ka na.
Yeah.
Na-experience na namin eh.
Ito yung totoo.
Andito na kami eh. Wala na kami magagawa eh. Pero ikaw, nandiyan malaki kasi garap ka, marami kang kayang gawin. Diyan ka na lang.
Damn.
Sabi na, tawag mo na lang.
Just make sure.
Tawag mo na lang.
Yeah. And wait, man, you guys have no idea. We about to get it bragging. We about to take over pretty much everything, man. You know what I'm talking about? From Los Angeles all the way to Tondo, Manila and shit, man. You know, by the way, we're not gonna say too much about our plans. They're just gonna have to see for themselves. You have to stay tuned for that. They know the business. We're about to take over everything. Like I said, we're not playing around, man. We own everything, man. You know. But before we shake the spot, pare, what do you think? Do you have any messages out there to anybody that would you like to leave them with for now?
Yeah.
For now.
Kunin niyo yung pera, mag-enjoy kayo, iparanas niyo sa mga mahal niyo sa buhay, yung tagumpay niyo.
Ooh.
Bali wala yung tagumpay tol pag hindi mo na pa-experience para sa akin sa mga magulang mo.
Oh.
Kaya kung hanggat maaari, kung kayo may magulang pa kayo, nandiyan pa sila sa paligid nyo at nagtatagumpay kayo, paranas nyo, patikim nyo. Yun yung pinaka-masarap sa parte ng meron.
Damn, that shit's deep, man.
Yeah, man.
Damn, gulagan na, para na. Yeah, and with that being said, y'all know what time it is. Say what you mean and mean what you say. It's real, recognize real, homeboy.
Yeah.
Out of here.
Pare.